Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will learn multiple shortcuts of Excel. First we will check how to format the messy data in a minute. Formatting the data one by one is too much time-taking activity. For this we use this shortcut. Select the data, click on the data button in the upper ribbon. Click on text to column, click next, check box the tab comment and click finish. Select all the data and adjust the column size. Second, we create table. Simply select the data and press Ctrl T and click OK. Table formatted with filter. For applying filter from table one by one is time consuming. For this we use slicer for quick filter. Select all the data, go to the insert, select slicer, and select what you want in filter. For this we select the country for filter. Now you can easily apply filter easily. In the next sheet we will see how to do sum quickly. For this, if you use sum formula it will take time. Just select the data and press Alt plus. Now you see sum has been done in a second. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe our channel for more videos.